Madeleine Hicklin. Madeleine Bertine Hicklin, born 3 September 1957, is a South African politician who has served as a member of the National Assembly since May 2019. She served as a ward councillor in the city of Johannesburg Metropolitan Municipality from August 2016 to May 2019. Hicklin is a member of the Democratic Alliance. Politics 6 Politics 6 Politics Politics. Hicklin joined the Democratic Alliance and was elected as the ward councillor for Ward 112 of the City of Johannesburg Metropolitan Municipality in the 2016 municipal election. Parliamentary career. Hicklin was nominated to the National Assembly following the general election that was held on 8 May 2019. She was sworn in as an MP on 22 May 2019. On 27 June 2019, she was given her committee assignment. On 5 December 2020, Hicklin was appointed as Shadow Deputy Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, succeeding Samantha Graham, who became Shadow Minister. Committee membership. Portfolio Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure alternate member. Personal life. Hicklin is a niece of the late anti-apartheid activist Dennis Goldberg. She is also Jewish.